umama uyangifonela Puleng buye endlini nangu ugel uyahlanza asimtholi uyenzani uyachisa buye endlini hayi vele ngicross sikude mangifika umntwana wami ulahla umzimba umntwana uyahlanza uyakhala ukhala in such a way ukuthi nenyembezi asisaphumi uyabona hayi sokunomsindo sesime ngenyawo yimi nabo sisi bami nomamami umfana avuke athi mama ngithi athi ile tiye mama isiphuziso ubaba yabo ngithi tiye mfana athi ya mama ile tiye la kababa elimnyama hey man inqondo ibuye manje yabona ukuthi itiye sibize ambulance hayi man umntwana ngiyambona ukuthi hayi umntwana uyaphela manje sibize ambulance ifike vele ambulance bangasho ukuthi hayi umntwana akasekho athi umfana bana 6 years athi mama ugela ushonile and nami ngizoshona ngithi no mfana ugela akashonanga asifike kuma ambulance ngithathe ifoni ngifonela ubaba umntwana ngithi ubayenzeni abantwana bami ubapheni yabona athi irespond efonini athi yabo umuntu engathi uyathuka athi ngithi mina ubayenzeni abantwana a-drop ifone makaqeda ukudrop ifone abhale message athi angikaqedi one by one
hayibo
hayi ngimangale ngithi akakaqedi one by one ngifonela nosisi wakhe vele bafike kusini vele lapho athi hayi angikaqedi one by one sengihleli mina ematrasini ngihlelele lokwentombazana ngabo 10 California sibhedlela bathi hayi sandinga emergency sandinga manje ngicela ukuthi nifike hayi sifike okay nefamily sesitshelile from khabo baba usisi wakhe ukuthi right ukuthi atshele laba abanye hayi asifike umama athi hayi ithi ngiyovusa umakhelwane asikhaphe ngemoto yabona ngithi hayi mina vele nalamapilisi ngeva man ngathi sewangidakile lawo ubuthongo bengiwaphuzile man maybe 30 minutes not isikhathi eside hayi ngiva iminyango yakhala gogogo yemoto bayangena umama nomakhelwane umama makangena hayi ngimbheka abomuntu mangathi uvusa inhloko nje yabona ngive ubhuti athi kumama hayi mtshele once yabo athi umama hayi angeke azabe right lo muntu ngiyasaba asimtsheleni ekseni athi ubhuti hayi mtshele once
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. We are beyond grateful to have you as part of today's journey. The purpose of this platform is for us to create a space where our brothers and sisters can share their experiences so that me and you could support them in whatever it is that they're struggling with. Also, we want to learn what they went through so that we could also find it easier to navigate the same challenges should me and you encounter the same. But today I've got a guest with me who I'm just going to jump into and ask her to introduce yourself. Sawubona sis.
Yebo.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngikhona. Siyabonga ukuthi uthathe isikhathi sakho weza la on the platform to also share your story.
Yes.
Kodwa singathi ubani sis?
Oh, sisi uPulenge wakahlatshwa isibongo.
Okay.
I'm from Eduduza. I'm 42 years old.
Oh nice.
Yes.
Siyabonga. Maybe ungasitshela nje ngokukhula kwakho nje ukuthi ukhulele kuphi and ukukhula kwakho nje bekunjani just as a person.
Ngikhulele khona Eduduza. Ukukhula kwami ngikhule ngumntwana oright. Ohlala azimisele ngayo yonke into ayenzayo. Ongalahli ithemba. Umntwana othanda uNkulunkulu ukuthi I believe ukuthi bengihlala ngitshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi Lord yonke into engiyiphathayo mayibambeke mayingangiphunyuki so
Okay.
nje ngihlala ngipositive ngasonke isikhathi.
Oh nice.
Yes.
Nice. And then bona bobhuti nabo sisi ekhaya.
Yes, ngina 2 sisters and then bengina 1 brother but washona ubhuti wami. Yes. So now sesisele si3.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. No, nice. And then I also want to know in terms of your upbringing, your experience, ekhaya nje bekunjani in terms of impatho nokukhula. Was it a nice home? Were you Christian? How nje was the household in general?
Ekhaya bokuyikhaya le-right. Sihlalile nobaba but asihlalanga naye isikhathi eside. Baye bahlukana nomama but washona futhi ubaba.
Okay.
And then what I like is sesahlala nomamethu. Umamethu azange asilahle.
Okay.
Umama bekahlala there for thina. Umama uyasibonisa uthando ngaso sonke isikhathi. Wakhetha thina more than izinto zomhlaba, more than okunye. So ngikhule kahle kakhulu.
Okay.
Yeah, yonke into besiyenza nomamethu. Masihlupheka nomamethu. Masijabula nomamethu.
So that's nice.
Yes.
And how was your relationship then with your dad before he passed on?
Bengumntana kababa. Ngimthanda ubabami kakhulu. And naye bengibona ukuthi uyangithanda. So nje ithe noma angasahlali nomama but benguye umntwana kancane uya kubaba uyombona ubaba.
Oh, nice. So you had a good relationship with him until his passing. No, I think that's beautiful. So tell me about once you grow up, I guess as you're coming along, you get to a point where you live and you seek your own independence. Can you tell us a little bit about that? Did you maybe go further to tertiary? What happened when you passed the puberty stage?
Yeah, mangiloku ngikhula njoba ngisho ukuthi besiphila nomama, so bengolo mntwana lo ebekahlala abhekile yonke situation. Mangikhula ngaba lo mntwana ozitshelayo ukuthi you know what, kuyo yonke le nhlupheko ngizomkhipha umamami, ngizoba there for yena, ngumntwana ozosiphatha kahle. So nje umama ngeke ngimlahle because ngibona ngendlela asikhulise ngayo, but for ama finances azange sakhona ukuchubeka ngesikolo after matric. But ngaba umntwana ozamayo ukuthi yonke into ezinamanje ngisebenza, ngisamthanda umamami. So nje I don't know ukuthi ngathi ngumntwana oyewabekwa ukuthi kumele nginakelele ifamily. Ngithanda ifamily yami kakhulu. Ifamily yami as long as ngikhona ifamily ngaweli phansi.
No, I think it's very nice to hear that. See, family is one of your biggest priorities. So currently ukwamanje uhlala nabo endlini or uhlala at your own place?
Kwamanje ngichashila ngihlala nabo, but ngila ngichashe khona ngihlala ngi-1 but most of the time ngisekhaya.
Okay, usekhaya
Yes,
nabo. Okay.
yes.
No, that's nice. And I assume ukuthi you're not very far.
Yes, angikho kude nasekhaya. Yes.
No, you're really taking care of them. Ukuthi nanoma yini enzakalayo, you want to be the first one to be present. Okay, that's beautiful. I also want to know, ukuthi in terms of your career, we're not going to dive into the name of the companies and so on and so on. How did that unfold? Because I hear you saying, ukuthi, you're currently working at the moment. Tell us about that journey in itself, ukuthi. Yes, you didn't go to school. You probably had difficulties financially. But I guess as a viewer sitting at home, I'd also not like to know how you navigated that situation, because I'm probably you in your past. Yabon. As a person who doesn't have any qualification beyond what you wanted to have, how did you navigate the work environment?
Ithe mangiloku ngikhula, obviously siyahlangana nabantu, siyahlangana nabantu esigcine kwabosisi nabobhudi kithi. And then I met one guy oye waba yi-friend yimi, and then ngingakhona ukuthi ngivule isifuba sami kuye ngikhulume naye, but ungithole ngomuntu osebenzayo, ngomuntu bengingakhethi ukuthi ngisebenza kuphi. If mele ngisebenze eshop bengisebenza eshop, just ukuthi ngibe na something khona ukuprovider umndeni wami nabantwana bami ebebenabo. So this friend wangizwa ngelinye ilanga besibizana, it's a male friend. What time cause Sarah sifuna umsebenzi, ngathi yes ngifuna umsebenzi. What time cause ngithumelele i-CV yakho, ngamthumelela i-CV yami, vele ngoNkulunkulu umkhozi wangitholela umsebenzi. Yes. Right now ngisebenza ekuhurileni water care company. Yes, i-waste water.
Okay.
Yes. So yeah, 7 years now ngisebenza. I'm happy ngomsebenzi kakhulu.
That's very nice.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I think you're truly blessed
Yes.
And it's such relationships, such opportunities that really open up doors. Most of the time, people they talk negatively about my connections. But in my perspective, a connection is just a relationship that allows you access to certain information that you would have not known before. Unless if there's other corrupt things, then we can downplay that definition. But I'm really happy for Mungana because he really just push you forward. So I also wanna, having opened that, I also want to know a little bit about your relationship. Getting into the actual story now of how you met Ubaba and so on.
Okay, how I met Ubaba. Bengisaseyintombazana ngikhula, I was around age of 16, 17 when I met Ubaba, the late Ubaba wabantwana bam.
Okay.
Bokwama 20, it was a boy and a girl.
Oh,
So bengisase high school. So mangisase high school yena bekasasebenza. I think age yethu it's age different of 2-3 years. Bekangekho mdala kakhulu kimi. And then sathandana kwaba right, wangibonisa uthando. Bengicala empilweni yami ukuthola uthando. And I think into eyenza ukuthi ngikhona ukubekezela kuye in terms of uthando, ngazitshela ukubona impilo yasekhaya bokungasimnandi ukubona umama nobaba abahlukana. So ngazitshela ukuthi you know what, njengoba ngena ku relationship angifuni ukuzibona ngelinye ilanga ngihlukene nomuntu wami ozoba ubaba wabantwana bami. Ithe vele mangiba nabantwana, ngibe nabantwana at the age of 25 years, ama twins, a boy and a girl.
okay.
Bengibajabulele kakhulu because you know man loku nikhulu intanga zakho already sezinabantwana.
Yeah.
So mina I think yimi ngathi ngathola umntwana later nyana.
Yeah.
Ngafeel ukuthi labantwana ba blessed kimi.
Yeah, maybe just to
Ngabathanda abantwana bami.
cut you kancane. What made you say ukuthi this is the one that I want to spend my life with when you're looking at him? What are those things in you that just told you ukuthi this is that guy, this is the one?
Ukusho kanjalo is the way bekangibonisa ngakhona uthando, like bengikhona ukumbona ukuthi lo muntu lo uyangithanda.
Okay.
Like bekangayeka yonke into. If une 5 rand we'll share 2 rand 50, 2 rand 50.
Oh, nice.
Even if ngoba ama mistakes vele akhona, but bekabuya azehlise kimi.
Okay.
Kubaba nje alright.
Oh, nice.
Yes, ithe later on sabana abantwana. Ama twins naye kibo kuye bokwabantwana bokucala. Wabajabulela kwaba right. So naye I think ngendlela akhule ngayo kibo naye wasitshela ukuthi you know what, nami sengithola uthando, ngithola umuntu engizokhalela kuye, ngithola umuntu engizophilisana naye. Yeah, so sachuba sathandana kwaba right, sa end up wangilobola. Ithe after ceda ukungilobola sahlala soyi2.
Okay.
Yes.
So manje meko yokulobola, he's also acknowledging the children as well, or the children are coming after senishadile or before?
Abantwana beze after.
Okay,
yes.
Beautiful. All right.
Yes, beze after.
Okay, so umuntu bebamazi ekhaya bamthanda.
Yes, ngisho nje ukuthi ekukhuleni beka i-first boyfriend ukuthiwa understand ukuthi nangomuntu kaBuleng.
Yeah.
Yes.
So before him you didn't know a man was nje umuntu wesidoda ngaye.
Yeah, bokuyiloko yabona lokho okukhula kokuzibhikela ukuthi hey nangomuntu wami ume naye estradeni, but nje ukuthi ngingene like ku relationship ngizithole ngiplan ifamily bokumuntu wami oqala.
All right, that's your first serious relationship.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And then what happened?
Okay, and then ke sahlala sathandana ke after ngilobolile sabana abantwana. Ithe masiloku sihleli lapho besihleli khona siba nabantwana beka umuntu bekasebenza. So if bekasebenza umsebenzi wakhe okay bongabhadali kahle, but besama nje siphusha nami ngiphusha la bengisebenza khona, sihlanganisa nje ifamily, saba nomuzi omuhle for age yethu sibancane, kwaba kuhle life nje yaba right. So I problem icale makazo decide ukuyeka umsebenzi, but with the hope yokuthi you know what ngiyawuyeka umsebenzi ngisase young, I think ngizothola enye into engcono.
Okay.
So that ngithathe le mali ngibone ukuthi sekunabantwana siphile kanjani. Hayi ngempela vele kube kanjalo. Alokhu njana uyeka umsebenzi izinto zingabi the way yena bekaplane ngakhona. So mina sengiyasebenza ngisebenza e-shop. So mangisebenza e-shop, okay it's fine. Umuntu wami ngikhule naye ngenze yonke into yami naye.
Okay.
Ngiyaprovide endlini abantwana ama-twins, abantwana sebangena i-crash bayakhula, bafunda e-town ngiyabhadala, ngimisa umuzi yonke into nje ngiyayenza.
Okay.
But ngingana problem because sisiphilela ukuthi uzoba right.
Yeah.
So umuntu awumlahli ngoba kukubi.
Maybe just to cut you, what was your, when he told you ukuthi sengifuna ukuyeka umsebenzi, if you can go back to that time, what was your first response nje engqondweni yakho before uresponda kuye uzomtshela the response onayo? What did you think in your mind?
No, ngacabanga because ukuthi azange kube into enzima kakhulu because beka umuntu okhuthele. Beka ubhuti ozithandayo akhuthele, ngazitshela ukuthi hayi uzawuthola omunye ongcono, and obvious makazocala thatha le decision bosokhona already abantu bebamthembisa umsebenzi.
Okay.
Yeah, understand. Yeah. So besiphilela nje ukuthi hayi kuzoba sharp.
Okay.
Yes.
So there was no doubt in your mind?
No, at all. Yes.
Okay, no, that's great. Okay.
Sahlala ke hayi abantwana babo after ke seyangasasebenzi hayi kwatshintsha endlini. Ethe makutshintsha sekayacala uya abuse. Yabona ayi but makaloka abuser angisho awuvele uthi hayi so ya abuse. Usho ukuthi hayi umuntu wami uyangithanda, yabona umuntu onesikhwele lezo zinto lezo. Mangihambile ufuna ukungiquestion mangekho endlini uyangistalka ungimele emakhoneni sizacala but lezo but mawuloku ukhula so yabona ukuthi no akusiyimpilo mosle. Why umuntu mawulele khuthuza amabhegi ungene emafonini so kuyenzakala nje izinto ezistrange nyana. Uyabona sekayacala uphakamisa isandla uyangishaya yabona but okay through konke ngibekezele nokucabanga ukuthi eish lo muntu ngizomlahlela abani if ngiyamlahla because no mama khe bekasashonile. No bhuti wakhe bebayi2 kibo, no sisi wakhe bayi3. Bhuti wakhe washona ilast born, wasala ifirst born yena no sisi wakhe. Umama washona, ubaba ngimthole vele sekashonile masohlangana mina naye. Usisi obvious ushadile uziphilela impilo yakhe. So ngacabanga ukuthi no if ngimlahla ngizomlahlelana ngaba khona ukubekezela ngabekezela with the hope yokuthi kuzoba right. Kuzoba right masicabene umbuyisa umuntu ukhulume naye ukuthi no angiyithanda 1 no 2 no 3.
No, maybe if I can just ask ukuthi what was your first red flag? At what point did you notice ukuthi there's a strong character change here? Maybe take me to that incident that shook you ukuthi yazi sekashintshile lo muntu.
Sekashintshile bokuyindaba zokuthi makacala ukukhuluma nje sekayalwa. Yonke into esiyenzayo nje siyenza ngokulwa. Uyangiquestiona kuyo yonke into engiyenzayo. Why ubuye ngalesikhathi? You understand why uqalekile and sonke lesikhathi bayangana problem because besingabantu abasebenzayo ezengishilo mina bengisebenza e-shop naye asebenza efamily la bekasebenza khona. So umamami abantwana babancane wathi you know what ithi ngokukhulisela abantwana and iphathe ukuthi mama decide ukuthi angikhulisela abantwana bokungukuthi mama wangitshela ukuthi you know what nami khabo babenu bangikhulisela abantwana so angeke ngithi ngikhona ngihleli ngenzi next ukubona utravel nabantwana usogola nabantwana ngikhona abantwana bazanivakashela mina ngizobanakelela abantwana. Umama wabathatha vele ngaloko hayi uthe vele mangibona ukuthi hayi nempilo vele ichinchila ngazitshela ukuthi I think it's a right thing ukuthi abantwana bahlale nomama because sokuhlala kuliwa la endlini sokuhlala kunomsindo so vele abantwana kumelanga bakhule ku-environment enjalo. Hayi sahlala ke hayi waloka abuser then ngathatha i-decision ngelinye ilanga ngathi bangichayisele ekhaya wangitshela ukuthi yabona mawubuya la kuzonyiwa. Hayi ngicabange vele ngithi lo muntu vele uyalwa yabona ngitshela usisi wami ngithi nangu lo muntu sekacalile manje and manje ngiyasaba ukuya endlini yabona and kusasa ngiyemsebenzini kumele kune uniform kumele ngichintshe endlini hayi athi swami hayi the best thing ukuthi iya namaphoyisa ufike uthathe into zakho and then izathi makasa right uzobuyela yabona because nasekhaya basejwayele sebazi ukuthi hayi impilo yabo ilabantu bayalwa we understand hayi ngempela kube kanjalo amaphoyisa angikhaphi ngiba explainele situation nami amaphoyisa angikhaphi ngifike ngithatha izinto just ukuthi ngikhona ukuchange amalanganyana ngingathathi yonke into ha vela amaphoyisa angena amtshela imfo sikhaphusisi uthi uyasaba so sicela ukuthi umalawe athathe izinto kusasa emsebenzini akakwazi ungalove emsebenzini inanani because kuyaliwa la ngeke azakhona ukuhlala la
okay
hayi athule vele ngene ekamereni ngithatha izinto angilandele mangithi ngiyaphuma ngiphethe lezo zinto lezi engizithathile athi kimi you know what if uthatha izinto zakho ngicela ukuthi uthathe yonke into yakho la ungaphindi ukuye ngithi hawu ngithatha yonke into yami athi ya hayi ngamnaki la ngithi ngibamba umnyango hasiphose ngezinto khiphe zonke impahla zami zigcwala iphatchise endlini amaphoyisa athi hayi you know what sisi thina sinesikhathi sonke sijayise ekseni zithathe into zakho makusoso kumele ukuthi uzithathe yeyibona sizokufakela zona evenini
okay
sizithathe yonke nje into okugcoka sizithathe and then ngihambe ke mangihamba ngisahleli ekhaya amalanganyana okay sekayacala ke manje ngathi ubuya kuma senses hayi esithando sami ngifuna ukuthi ubuye endlini mina ngeke ngisakhona ukuphila ngaphandle kwakho and bohlala ungitshele kulweni kwethu ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngizosola ngihlele etoilet and vele manje kunjalo ngiyazisola ngicela ukuthi ungicolele ubuye yibona ngiyakukhumbula nabantwana inananaba so lokho ngibhalela ama message then ngimtshele ngithi no wena mele ungipromise ukuthi uzokhula zonke lezi zinto ozenza kimi angeke usazenza nami I need time ukuthi ngibe right ungizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu yeyibona hayi mina ngeke ngikhona ukulokhunjana ukuthi ngiphile ngicela ukuthi singahlukani nani hawo okay ngizitshela ukuthi no ithi ngithatha isikhathi sami ngihile ngibe right hawo manje every day uyacala manje usenda ama message wangithreatenisha maka ngithreatenisha ngizitshela ukuthi hayi maybe just stress ukhawabona hayi you know what namhlanje ngiyadecide ngithatha impilo yami ngifuna ukuthi wena uhlale kahle nomndeni wakho uenjoy yebona hawo ayingamphenduli nini the following day message ichinche ya mina angisakhoni ngizozibulala ngobe wena awunginaki inanananani hayi ngithathe ifoni ngemfonela ngithi you know what ngicela ukuthi uze sizokhuluma yabona athi hayi okay ngizofika ngempela vele afike yabona ngithi no ngicela ukuthi ungangifilisi guilty ungitshela ukuthi wena uzothatha impilo yakho nani yabona ithi ngitshele mina isitori sami mina ngithanda impilo ongiphilisa yona kwamina uhlala ungibhalela ama message ungitshela ukuthi uzongibulala so the decision engiyithathile ukuthi ngibuye ngize ebantwaneni bami ngisaba ukuthi ngizofa lapho kuwe and mangifa abantwana bami bazosala nobani and lento uhamba lokhu uyayiphinda so seyangithusa vele yeyibona athi no hayi indlela engifuna attention kuyo ngawe ngifuna ukuthi uzubuye yabo in hayi ngithi hayi okay ngicela ungiphe isikhathi ngizobuya hayi sihlukane ke kanjalo but umbona ukuthi akavisisi hawo ngelinye ilanga eze kuyi-Saturday makeza afike amemnyango ngikhona athi kumama hayi ngicela ukukhuluma noBhulengu umama athi hayi nangu uBhulengu ukhona ngena athi kumama hayi no angeni yabona hayi umama mangibiza la ngithi ngiyavela khona amemnyango ya wena sisilindi wena umama ongekho right khomba umama nje umbona ukuthi umama nje maka ngacala athi uya respond angamshaya uyabona
already sekanele
ya una le engale ukubona hayi vele nami ngithuke ngithi man lo muntu lo sho ukuthi akatshintshi instead kuwes ukhona hayi ngimtshele ngithi no angeke uze uyenze lento oyenzayo, ngeke uze ukhomba umamami kanje. Nami umamami azange khe ngamela ngeenyawo, azange khe ngamkhomba ngisho nomama akho nami azange khe ngiyenze lo nto le yabona. Indaba wena uvisisi impilo yami ingenye indlela manje ngiyakudinga wena ukho in ngithi but ngendlela ongayo angeke kuze kube right ukuthi mina nawe sibe yithi kumele uyehle ekucala so that mina nawe sizokwazi ukuthi siphilisane. Hayi ahambe ngempela kuvela ubhuti wami ambambe no hayi awukwazi ukuzoyenza umsindo la ekhaya uzolwa la ekhaya ngicela ukuthi uhambe. Hayi ahambe vele hayi achubeke ngama message aloku angithesta angitshela the way azongibulala ngakhona nini uzobulala abantwana nini uyayibulala yabona lawo ma message lawo.
So if I can just cut you, sorry ne? Between all of this happening laba abantu abansurroundile, was there anything that they did to try and bring you together in one room and mediate to try and see ukuthi mhlambe inkinga kungaba yini?
No, umuntu bekakhona ukuthi akhulume naye bokumamami. Well, esayidini la kibo njoba ngisho ukuthi okay bekanayo umalume bengimazi nosisi wakhe nendoda yakasisi wakhe. So bekangafuni ukuzwa next ngabo because mina benginokuthi kwesinye isikhathi ngifonela usisi wakhe ngikhalele kusisi wakhe.
Okay.
Uthe you know what nangu ucalile uyangi-abuse. Yabona so uyangithuka kusikhathi makasithuka afake nosisi wakhe la kasithuke sonke. Even naye usisi wakhe asho ukuthi yazi beka khona wangitshela iscrap wangitshela ukuthi nokuthi. Yeah, understand. So both besisimsaba.
Okay.
So njengoba ngisho ukuthi ama parents bo angasekho. Abomamkhulu bale.
Okay.
Yeah. So ke ay ngihlale mangihlala ke ay ngelinye ilanga ngithi ngisase lapha eshop. Ngimbone eza bengisebenza eshop ngishaya ithili. Mangithi nangu ethilini.
Okay.
Athi ke mophuma nini lunch ngithi mina ngizophuma ngo11 athi ya ngokumele la ngaphandle ngifuna sikhulume. So ngisabe ngibe nalento ukuthi ay mhlambe sekazobulala vele. Yebona because I remember mangiloku ngihleli bengithola ama message from ama old friends wakhe ukuthi hey kule ngusipho ungifonela ungibuza ukuthi akukho la ngamtholela khona igani. Inananana yayibona sengithola those messages kwesinye isikhathi abantu bebaxozi baseduzana nasekhaya basho ukuthi hayi man yazizo lebusuku usipho okambe la egate.
Hayibo lapho
I think yeah ekhaya I think nje into engayenza 3 hours abanye abaye emsebenzini ngabo 5 ekseni basho ukuthi hayi man usipho akapheli la. Siyambona njalo ufaka ijazi umile la ngayini ukubona hayibule ngisicela ukuthi ube careful asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona. But ngingazithatheli enhloko lezo zinto kangaka yabona ngisitshela ukuthi hayi mhlambe ufuna ukubona le afuna ukuyibona.
Okay, khathi kancane kwenzakalani? Wire drop. Okay, awu test ikhuphule kancane. Yeah, kuphule kancane right. Ngiyazwakala manje iya drop. Okay, ithi ngicheck. Ngizokhulumela phezulu mhlambe izo pick up. You know bengifuna ukubuza ne ukuthi taking you back to the time yelobola because when mengiza kini sengizolobola kini angiyizeli ngiyangithuma abantu bese kini, and in most cases when things go wrong we mainly want to refer to those same people that initiated lo budlelwane because angithi kuthiwa sakho ubudlelwane. Akuzange kwaba ubani kahle kahle asiqale lapho ukuthi bekuze bani from esidini yakibo kwakuze u-aunt wakhe. Okay.
No malume. Auntie was from father's side, umalume from mother's side. So auntie washona.
Okay.
Then umuntu bekasaphila umalume. So umalume mabamreportela zonke lezi zinto lezi waba nalento ukuthi no lo muntu akafuna ukulalela umuntu, lo muntu uyadelela. Like angeke ngizwe ngikhona ukulungisa indaba zakhe, lo muntu uyadelela. Like bokumuntu noma ngathi ukhuluma naye udelela wena after.
Okay.
So I think ibokuyiyo reason ukuthi bangabuyi back bazolungisa. Yes.
Okay. All right, and then busakhuluma ngale ndaba yakhe yokuthi uhlale khona lapha endaweni.
Yeah, hayi ngilungu izizwa lezo zinto lezo. Okay. Nginganaki isikhathi sambe mhlambe kuphele 3 months 4 months. Hayi. After zonke lezi zinto lezi sekazenzile ukuthi ezekhaya delela ama message ayi ngibe nalento ukuthi you know what ayi la ayi ku dangerous angisabuyeli mina lapha yakhe ngithathe leyo decision leyo. Obvious mawufika ekhaya kunabantwana abakini angeke uzohlale njengoba wohleli. Ngidecide ukuthi no ithi ngiyocasha.
Okay.
Yebo. Hayi ngambe ngithola iroom nje not kude nasekhaya. Just ukuthi ngibe ne privacy ngilale lapha eroomini but eroomini bengiyangiyolala obvious because it's one room yonke into bengiyenzele ekhaya.
Okay.
So ngilanga ngathi uzobona abantwana babamtshele ukuthi hey baba umama sekahlala endaweni eso. Abe wese vele ukuthi yawo angibuza ukuthi hayi sho ukuthi vele lento yethu seyiphelile because wena so decide ukuthi uthole nendawo yokuhlala yabona. Ngithi mina no anginandawo la ekhaya not exactly ukuthi iphelile ngimele wena ukuthi uchange ube right. Hayi lokahlanya vele kanjalo asenda ama message ngelinye ilanga hayi ngihambe nabangani bami sithi sibuya kune party somewhere ya one of abangani. Hawo masibuya siyabuya la ngabo intatha ngabo ma 2 3 sigibela imoto one of a friend. Hayi vele siyabona emotweni angeke uvele uhlike nje hayi bye ngisemotweni lapho sekayazi mina la ngihlala khona.
Okay.
Umile shoot I don't know ukuthi ume from what time because thina sabuya ntatha ngabo ma 2 3.
Okay.
So masiloku sicoca mina ngihleli emuva back seat. So cause bokhona nabangani bebahleli.
Okay.
So ayisiloku siyacoca vele masicoca akokode festereni. Sibona ubhudi nje yabona ufake ijazi ufake ikhupha head uphethe into nyana under ijazi yabona. Hayi sazi ukuthi bokuyini yabo sibone efestereni la ka driver. Sorry sisi ngicela ukukhuluma nalo sisi ohlele emuva yabona. Hama ngithi hayi ngimtshele ngithi umkhozi uSipho lo ulo muntu wami lo. Ngithi mina you know what ungasami shaya imoto sibuyele ephathini so manje siphume masokukhanya.
Okay.
Because angazi yini into azoyenza umuntu obvious uyathusa ijazi
Exactly.
faka ikhupha head usivala ubuso
Uvalekile.
angasiyazi yini lento le ayiphethe under ijazi yabona ngempela vele kube kanjalo ngithi angiyehli next angeke ngikhona ukukhuluma nalo muntu lo. Shaya imoto wena sibuyele emuva. Ngishaya imoto vele sibuyele emuva. Hayi sibuye vele ngabo 6 sokukhanya. Hayi ngihambe ngiyotshela umama ukuthi hayi man nazi izolo kuyenza ukuthi ngihlanganise manje zonke lezi zinto lezi abantu bale kubangitshela ukuthi lo muntu uhlalamile la akumele. Ngihlanganise vele lezo zinto lezo. Hayi ngithi mina the only thing ngicabanga kuyomenzela i-protection order.
Okay.
Because I feel manje ukuthi impilo yami seyinzima manje ikhona because nasemsebenzini nangu sekayafika ame ngize ngichayise.
Muphuma lapho kwenzakalani?
So ibeka ama egate. So i-transport thina beyisithatha bengena phakathi kwejaridi. So bengikhona ukuthi ngingahlangani naye ngimbone noma i-transport iphuma. Hayi ngempela kube kanjalo sisi wami angikhaphe sihambe singimenzela i-protection order. Hayi after le protection order lo kube ngathi uyayehlisa. Hayi mangathi uyayehlisa abuye futhi angisaphenduli ama message wakhe ngimblock from the other phone. Athenge another new SIM card. Achubeke futhi ngalama message wakhe.
Alokatshela ukuthi uzokubulala.
Yeah athi ngibhale athi kimi ngibhale iletter. So le letter le before azobhala iletter bokulosithathu kuJune. June ya late June abantwana babuye crash. Mababuye crash ngihleli mina ekitchen bengihleli nje ngasemnyango labo kungena ilanga bona winter nalento ukuthi ithi ngithamela ilanga kuyabanda. Abantwana bangene vele bahamba boyi2. Mabangena mama ngithi hayi bantwana bami omunye yibokwa ama twins boy and girl omunye afike ayamele ngapha kule side omunye ayamele ngapha kule bangibheke straight emehlweni. Bathi kimi bebana 6 that time abantwana. Bathi kimi mama mara masingashona ungayenzani?
Hayibo.
ngithi mina yo bantwana bami ngavele ngiyifele nami yabo basuke draw basuke yonke into bebayenza since bokwamathunzi bebayenza boyi2 balahlela ikhwama le baphume bahambe bayodlala abantwana hayi isikhathi sambe kamba amalanga ngiphuphe mangiphupha ugogo umama uzala ubaba.
Okay.
So ngiphupha ngisemathuneni, mangiphupha ngisemathuneni, ngiphupha ubaba ungiphethe so. Yabona ungigugile. Ungena nami symmetry. But ngomuntu othulile. Mangena symmetry ugogo wami athi kubaba no. Lo muntu akafuneki la. Why lo muntu umletha la? Lo muntu akusilamela aphile khona manje. Angimfuni la. Jikisa loyo muntu loyo. Hayi ngiphaphame ngetime. Lephupho lisho ukuthini? Hayi ngibe nento ethi you know what? Hamba uye graveyard kubabakho.
Yeah.
Mangizoye graveyard the following day indlela ezongokhela ukuthi ngegraveyard ngidlula ngakibo i-shortcut ukibo. Hayi vele ngenhlanhla or ngebhadi nangu mekibo vele front. Makathi vele uyangibona. Athi kimi uyapi? Ngithi ngiyabuya kusekuseni. Ngithi mina ngiyabuya. Hayi vele nje ngiyawalka. Hayi ngihambe vele ngiye kuba bami graveyard ngikhulume ngibuye because benga understand le phupho.
Okay.
Mangibuya vele ngimthole yabona. Athi kimi hayi no hayi bengithi ngizokutshela yabona ukuthi sengidecidile ngiyayithatha impilo yami.
Yebo.
Wena uzosala kahle nomndeni wakho nama friends wakho ube happy ube right. Indaba yabantwana vele angayikhulumi.
Okay.
Ngithi ayi ngimthule vele ngimbheke. Hayi sihlukane vele ngempela hawo. Khambe ilanga eli1 eze. Mageza abantwana bebabuya ngabo ma 4-5.
Okay.
Crash.
All right. Uza kuphi kimi?
Uze ekhaya. Athi hayi ngizobona abantwana yabona. Ngithi hayi ne akuna problem. Mama mavele kimi. But angaveli phambi kwakho mama athi ay athi kimi hayi ithi sijikela ekhaya siyabuya sengila ekhaya akusikude futhi kibo nasekhaya. Athi kimi ithi sijikela ekhaya siyabuya yabona. Hayi umama mavele ngithi hayi okay sharp anyway ubababo bengacabangi next ngamcabangeli next. Athi mama yo Puleng no bongamelanga umnike umuntu lo muntu labantwana bo. Ngithi kumama hayi mina ngeke abayenze next ubababo uyabona uzoba yenzani. Athi mama no Puleng ay umama aphume umama makaphuma and umama this very same day le ashaye nje spring cleaning aclean nje akhuthala chinche emahalideni aclean umama makaphuma uthi waphuma wayobheka ngakibo just to bheka nje ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona. Uthi hayi makabuya asho ukuthi abuye asitshele sekabuyile. Uthi hayi manje ngibone nje kukhanyisile nani yabona. Kuthulile akho phithipitha connect.
Ngithi mina
aboma 6-7 bebaceda ukubuya remember crash bebabuya ngabo 3-4 indaba zama transport. Athi kimi mama hayi ngiyazi ngibuye ubheka abantwana man angekho right yabona. Umoya wami awuvumi ukuthi labantwana baye kubababo. Ngithi mama hayi man ubababo man uzabayenzani khawabona. Hayi ngempela masuke shaya 2:08 ngimfonela abantwana babuyi phela. Ngithi hayibo abantwana athi hayi sisendleleni abantwana ngiyabaletha. Ngithi hayi mina okay sharp. Kanti emini yakhona bekathe uqela ukungibona ngize nabantwana kibo.
Okay.
After ngimbonile ngibuye emathuneni the following day ngathi mina ngamthembisa ukuthi no it's an appointment ngizoza yini sizokhuluma but ngaba nokusaba ukuthi hey uyi1 lo muntu kibo kuzoyenzakalani mase si2 hayi azange njengoba sekakwata sekalanda abantwana.
Okay.
So mangibheka I think bekafuna ukuthi sibe sonke. Yeah. Hayi ngempela baletha abantwana. Hawa mabafika abantwana ngithi hawu benenzani nobabeni yabona. Abantwana bathi hayi sihlalile nobaba hayi sacoca wasenzela itiye yabona. Ngithi mina wenenzela itiye athi ya athi lo ntombazana athi yo mara mama itiye la khona hey baba usenzela itiye le coke. ngithi itiye le coke athi ya mama belimnyama linezinye izinto ezimnyama yabona ubaba wathi le tiye siliphuze siliqede hayi mama belilibi mani itiye la kababa mina ngiliphuzile ngilicedile uboy mama ulishiye kanqane asho ulo mfana ngithi mina hawu athi hayi after wasinika amaviyana wathi sidla lamaviyana after le tiye ngithi mina hawu hayi abantwana bathi kithi sokwabo 8 sifuna ukubuyela generation bathi hayi mama vulela i-channel sifuna ukujiva namhlanje asifuna ukulala ngithi no kumele nilale kusasa nesikolweni yabona kumele bathi hayi mama sifuna ukujiva abantwana babe hype man abantwana abajive ngalelo la ngalelo abajive ngabona yini ngiphume remember ngicashile ngasekhaya senyolala ngiphume mangiceda nje ukuphuma omunye umakhelwane angene asho ukuthi hayi man usipho ubhokile iphithiphithi bekayishaya ulokuyale yabona khona to khona uhambela la ngakini yabona hayi sithi thina hayi ayiwanda yabona hayi ngilale I remember bengiphatha iBlackberry iBlackberry beyiveza ibattery mayiveza ired ibattery shokuthi iqinile emele ucharge ayisakhala but on that day ngabo 12 iBlackberry yakhala ibattery liloku iqinile umama wami uyangifonela buleng buye endlini nangu ugel uyahlanza asimtholi uyenzani uyachisa buye endlini hayi vele ngicross sikude mangifika umntwana wami ulahla umzimba umntwana uyahlanza uyakhala ukhala in such a way ukuthi nenyembezi asisaphumi uyabona hayi sokunomsindo sesime ngenyawo yimi nabo sisi bami nomamami umfana avuke athi mama ngithi athi ile tiye mama siphuziso ubaba yabo ngithi tiye mfana athi ya mama ile tiye la kababa elimnyama hey man inqondo ibuye manje yabona ukuthi itiye sibize ambulance hayi man umntwana ngiyambona ukuthi hayi umntwana uyaphela manje sibize ambulance ifike vele ambulance bangasho ukuthi hayi umntwana akasekho athi umfana bana 6 years athi mama ugela ushonile and nami ngizoshona ngithi no mfana ugela akashonanga hayi mase lapho kuma paramedics ngithatha ifone ngisendele ubaba ifone
so manje sorry maybe fika lama paramedics ugel bayamthatha bahamba naye
bathi ndathi sigibele silandele bamthatha ngeambulance but bona babamthatha vele bebase bambonile ukuthi sekaphelile akasekho asifike kuma ambulance ngithathe ifone ngifonela ubaba umntwana ngithi uba yenzeni abantwana bami ubapheni yabona athi irespond efonini athi yabo umuntu engathi uyathuka athi ngithi mina uba yenzeni abantwana drop ifone makaqeda ukudrop ifone abhale message athi angikaqedi 1 by 1
hayibo
hayi ngimangale ngithi akakaqedi 1 by 1 ngifonela nosisi wakhe vele bafike ku scene vele lapho athi hayi angikaqedi 1 by 1 hayi lokha vele abantu bama ambulance bangibize hayi bangitshele ukuthi hayi you know what umntwana ushonile and njengoba umntwana ashonile umntwana kunento ayidlile and since usho ukuthi abantwana bakho bayi2 ama-twins kuzomela ukuthi nalo womfana somrana ama-tests ayesibhedlele manje same time to check ukuthi naye akanayo ipoison le etholakale
nalo
kugel hayi nangempela umama mathi hayi ithi ngigibele naye umfana uright uyazihambela but the message umfana wanginika yona wathi hayi mama ugel ushonile nami ngizoshona bahambe baye esibhedlela mabafika esibhedlela ayi umntwana bamrana ama-test nami okay sambe siyendlini masihamba siyendlini sokushoniwe sifike vele endlini hayi kubuhlungu kanjalo silale I think when was it ngelanga lesine ngingabi right vele nami vele nje ngicollapse nje ngithule hayi ma paramedics bathi no I think kumele athole oxygen yana makahambe naye aye esibhedlela sengihleli mina ematrasini ngihlelele lo
Okay.
wentombazana ngabo 10 California isibhedlela bathi hayi sanidinga emergency sanidinga manje ngicela ukuthi nifike hayi sifike okay nefamily sesitshelile from khabo baba usisi wakhe kuthi that ukuthi atshele laba abanye hayi asifike umama athi hayi ithi ngiyovusa umakhelwane asikhaphe ngemoto yabona ngithi hayi mina vele nalamapilisi ngeva man ngathi sewangidakile lawo ubuthongo bengiwaphuzile man maybe 30 minutes not isikhathi eside hayi ngiva iminyango yakhala gogogo yemoto bayangena umama nomakhelwane umama makangena hayi ngimbheka yabo umuntu mangathi uvusa inhloko nje yabona ngive ubhuti athi kumama hayi mtshele once yabo athi umama hayi angeke azabe right lo muntu ngiyasaba asimtsheleni ekseni athi ubhuti hayi mtshele once today sicela ukuthi na kanjani ufike manje esibhedlela
Yeah. So 10 welanga lilandelayo
yeah
after
wilanga
the scene.
ngilandayo remember lento yenzeke entatha
Yeah.
kwabasemi mina ngahamba nomfana ngaye esibhedlela bangirelease I think ngabo 6 ekseni and then ngabuya umama ngabo 4 the following day emini wayobona umntwana
Okay.
hayi washo ukuthi wabuya umama wamtshela ukuthi hayi umthole seka right sengihleli mina ematrasini ngihlelele lo wentombazana ngabo 10 California isibhedlela bathi hayi sanidinga emergency sanidinga manje ngicela ukuthi nifike hayi sifike okay nefamily sesitshelile from khabo baba usisi wakhe kuthi that ukuthi atshele laba abanye hayi asifike umama athi hayi ithi ngiyovusa umakhelwane asikhaphe ngemoto yabona ngithi hayi mina vele nalamapilisi ngeva man ngathi sewangidakile lawo ubuthongo bengiwaphuzile man maybe 30 minutes not isikhathi eside hayi ngiva iminyango yakhala gogogo yemoto bayangena umama nomakhelwane umama makangena hayi ngimbheka yabo umuntu mangathi uvusa inhloko nje yabona ngive ubhuti athi kumama hayi mtshele once yabo athi umama hayi angeke azabe right lo muntu ngiyasaba asimtsheleni ekseni athi ubhuti hayi mtshele once athi umama hayi mtshele wena hayi ngive athi puleng yabo ngithi athi hayi no boys sisi yabo hayi ngimuve nje that sentence athi no boys sisi hayi ngilale man angidrakile ngivula amehlo ngiwavala ngichubeke ngilale abo 6 ekseni mangithi ngiyavuka ekhaya hayi man abantu abangaka ngithi ayazange akhe ngabona abantu abangaka hayi uvuke ngigcoka ama slippers ngigcoka igown ngithalazela abantu banye bahleli bayakhala abanye bagobile athi kwenzakalani manje hayi ngiphume ngegate mangiphuma ngegate abangiboni basho ukuthi ngiye toilet ngihambe ngekhabo friend yami kune friend yami nje bengiphila nayo akusikude nayo ngakhona ifront opposite akabo friend yami kune clinic abo 6 ekseni fike ngikokode khona ngicrosse ngamabhijama nginjalo ngikokode khona hayi nabathi bayavula ngibathi hayi pulengini ngithi no boy ngisho kanjalo kibo hayi banga understand nabo ukuthi hayi no boy in manje yabona fike ngiwe futhi lapho wele eminyango hayi vele bangithathe bangiphuthumise eclinic njengoba ngisho ukuthi bokufront opposite nase clinic hayi clinic bazame ke bangivuse okay ngiphaphame kube right tholakala ukuthi nalo umfana sekashonile okay makasashonile sokufuneka ubaba ukuthi ubaba azophendula imibuzo
ukuthi kwenzakaleni
yebo abantwana ubaphelele because nasesibhedlela basho ukuthi umama makabuya ku visit basho ukuthi hayi sitholile ipoison kumfana but naye umama bambonisisa ebhodleleni beyigreen
okay
sitholile ipoison nomfana bekayidlile but sesidrainile into ezoyenzakala simele udoctor mele sizomfaka igazi ushoda ngegazi
mina umbuzo wami ukuthi uboy ufike lapha wahlala
right
why bangayidrainanga before
attendile before so mina mangise ngithi ngithula ukuyibheka I think usisi wakhe umlandile because bokama-tweets.
Okay.
Yeah, mina mangithi ngithola bona bawuyenza umsebenzi wabo.
Okay.
Yeah, bawuyenza bama-attenda vele immediately. Yeah.
Bayigcina because obviously bekunale nkulumo eyithile.
Yeah, ukuthi checkani lo mntwana emergency ku-serious umntana kibo sokuso vele bama-attenda there and there. Yes, bayithola vele bayidraina. So I think wamlanda the way ngi-understanda ngakhona.
Okay.
Njengoba nomntwana sekashonile ke hayi ubaba kambe ubaba angatholakali. Ubaba sekayafuna umphakathi, amaphoyisa ababuza usisi wakhe uThakamazi. Hayi siswakhe amathamazi amaphoyisa vele angazi babuza usisi wakhe whatever imibuzo ebambuza leyo mibuzo leyo angazi ukuthi bambuzani, but ngokwazi kwami amaphoyisa amasasho bathi bathola through ifone kasisi.
Okay.
Ukuthi ubhuti kahle ungakuphi. Ubhuti watholakala ePretoria.
Okay.
So bokuna one relative yabo lapho.
Okay.
So amaphoyisa bathi bamthola lapho, mabamthola lapho but bamthola ekitchen or bekayenza itiya, angisakhumbuli kahle ukuthi what was the story. Bahamba naye kanti ubhuti usayiphethe Alpirim, abantwana wabadlisa Alpirim.
Okay.
Usayiphokothele. So ubhuti ngathi amaphoyisa masiloka busy naye ukuthi hayi ngimelene ithi ngigcoke yabona. Yazi amaphoyisa indoda angasagcoka okuningi, kushiya ibhande, kushiya ama-shoelaces, bona lezo zinto lezo. Ubhuti ngathi athola i-chance athathele Alpirim naye ayidle. Ayiphuze. Bamthathe vele ubhuti, hayi eminyana during the day, hayi uCCS, hayi basho ukuthi hayi sisayo attend ubhuti bathu se-police station, amaphoyisa amtholile inani. Hayi okay ngingazinaki lezo zinto lezo. Bamthathe ke bamise prison, bathi hayi bangamise prison abesesemaselini, bathi ebusuku vele ubhuti achange. Ubhuti sekayahlanza, ubhuti akasekho right, bamphuthumise bamise esibhedlela. Ubhuti mabamise esibhedlela kamba amalanga 4 days isesongcwaba abantwana. Ifamily before abantwana bangcwatshwa on a Thursday, before iza emncwabeni baqale kuye esibhedlela. Bamtshele ukuthi hayi sithi sizokutshela ukuthi namhlanje thina ke siyahamba songcwaba abantwana bakho sebashonile. So yiko sila ubhuti vele seka esibhedlela sakagadwa amaphoyisa. Hayi ubhuti bathathule mabaya ekseni kwaloko ubhuti naye bathi bebaceda ukumdraina ipoison.
Okay.
Since naye aye wayiphuza le poison bebaceda nje ukumdraina, so ukuthi nje pick up ebasho ukuthi hayi bazommukisa ngaze ethembisa if nge right bathi kunesibhedlela seyiboshwe. Uzoya khona emini ngaleyo Thursday yokungcwatshwa kwabantwana. Family suke ize emncwabeni. Hawu family masiloku siku-service emncwabeni ngiyababona nje, ngisho yazi ukuthi ifamily sihlala in group nabo abakhabo baba nabo babone nje bayasukuma yabona, almost bonke yabona. Bathi abababonile bagibela imoto vele bahambe. Hawu bathi makusangcwatshwa ke lapho yabaza abantu bathi nobaba abantwana sekashonile. Hayi sincwabe vele kuze one of the relative athi hayi sebakutshelile ukuthi nobaba sekashonile. Ngithi no, angikwazi mina lokho ukuthi ubaba uthi naye hayi bathi shonile esibhedlela. Hayi ngisitshela ukuthi bazoza bazosho kahle ukuthi
labo umndeni kababa
ukuthi ubaba ushonile. Bangezi till today.
Hayibo
Kusho ukuthi hayi nobaba sekashonile. Okay, on a day mangibona ukuthi awunalilanga lashona labantu abezi phela kuzo report ukuthi hayi nobaba sokashone, and mina ngishilo ukuthi si right. Because bebazi condition bengiphila kuyo nabo yabona. Bayithulele bangeze ngifonela usisi wakhona, hawu sengizwa ngabantu ukuthi noSipho ushonile kwenzakalani yabona. Hayi vele angangiphendule efonini, angidropele ifoni.
Hayibo
Ngizithulele ngasabuzi next vele ukuthi hayi kwenzakala inani. Vele bangasaveli khabo baba banga explain, bangeza ukuzongibona after ngive noma bangcwaba ubaba the following Saturday yakhona abantu basho abanye ukuthi hayi semncwabeni.
Hayibo wena wazi lutho nje?
Angazi lutho. Ubaba wabantwana uyangcwatshwa namhlanje. kube kanjalo.
Ukhona umuntu wakini from your side uke waya emngcwabeni?
No, bebangakwazi ukungaya because bokumele ukuthi beze angisho nabo. And I remember isintu siyahlala leyo 10 days angisho ngeke nami bengeke mhlambe ngikhona ke emngcwabeni or unless if bebazile bazongicela izinto ezinjalo, but masokuso if usisi wakhe ngidropela ifone kusho kona ukuthi sokuyaliwa.
Exactly. Umbuzo wami manje ukuthi sesilwelana.
I don't know, but ithe mangihamba mhlambe mase ngicala ngifuna izinto ebengazenza nendoda yami ebengizifuna sisekacala ufasa ngezinto. Yayibona so ngazitshela ukuthi maybe indaba yamafa, but ngakhulula konke because
kusho izinto zasemzini wenu
yeah lezi zinto besinazo besihlala nazo emzini la besihlala khona. Sengicala ngifuna ama furniture, izinto ngazithenga, izinto kwezami because nami benginezinto ebengazithenga ngisebenza lapho. Uyayibona, so sekuyaqala vele kuyaliwa, sengibona la ukuthi hawu kanti kuyaliwa. You understand? So ke hayi kwaba kanjalo ke.
Yini basola ukuthi wena obulala ubaba?
No, noma bona azangibeza kimi bazongitshela, but ngazitshela lo ukuthi mhlambe bayangiblame ukuthi kunje yimi, I don't know, but the time ubaba aphila bamthatha bamisa la bebazikhona, but nabeze ekhaya bona baba abantu abangamazi ukuthi ubaba ukuphi, but still bona bakhona ukuza futhi nasemncwabeni. You understand? So masokushone ubaba kula inkinga seyiqala khona, because I remember khona bayikhipha nemali ukuthi bagcwalisele ukuthi sincwaba abantwana as a family. Yes. So inkinga yaqala ukuthiwa nobaba sekashonile. So laba abanye ke angidibani nabo engizangakhe ngababona. So umuntu kahle ngathi ukuthi bekayiphathi ayifamily bokusisi wakhe. Yes, njoba ngisho ngide bayi3 kwashona ubhuti wakhe, njoba sokushona lo baba abantwana kwasala lo sisi wakhe. So uye whatever ebengayenzakala angayiphasa from ukuthi hayi sokunje family sokunje laba abanye ngeke ngize ngibablame. You understand? Mhlambe bebezwa ngaye ukuthi hayi masokusoko so masokusoko so. Exactly.
Ucabanga ukuthi vele nabo bayakusola vele?
Yeah, mina mase ngihlala ngazitshela nje into yokuthi you know what, indoda is fail. Yeah, indoda isikhathini esiningi mayishonile uthiwa ibulawa umfazi. But into yangenza ukuthi ngibe neclosure, usisi wakhe bekayazi impilo yethu. Yeah, bekayazi ukuthi bengimthanda ubhuti wakhe. Sakhulisana izinto besizenza, into I think yangenza ukuthi ngibe right, ukuthi whatever ayicabangayo angazi uzosuka sokusathane or ini, or bekayenza ukuthi kube nengcabano so that azowina lezi zinto lezi. Because if isizwana mele sikhuluma ukuthi nginginika le so nalapho ngayicabanga ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
Ukuthi manje sebafuna ukuvimba ukuthi ungafikeleli into
ukuthi vele lo muntu bekazi. Yeah, because I remember ngangifuna ifridge angazi nani wathi kimi kuzosithola estradeni, and nangempela ngamthola azikhiphile vele. So hayi ngazithulela ya cause ngathi mase ngiya ecourt ngaba ngacala ngathi ngifuna ukuzilwela ngecourt. Icourt yangitshela ukuthi no, bozozilela on behalf yabantwana, so abantwana abasekho, so nawukwazi ukungazilwela because wena you remember ulotsholiwe kuphela. So ngathi mase ngimtshela ukuthi okay nginikeze ezamandla wami. Yeah, wathi uzozithola ngaphandle ngizozikhiphela
ngaphandle.
Ngigcina lapho ngayeka nedinet kanjalo la.
So where you are now psychologically, do you still seek closure with them? If they were to come through and say into besihlupha nathi nayi, would you still be willing to sit down and speak with them? Sivale kahle.
You know what, okay, into mayisaqala uba angry, uyakwata, uzibuza imibuzo, you understand? So yonke lento le mayizoqala, I think nabathi uNkulunkulu yakuprepare. Mina ngambona uNkulunkulu angiprepare. Because I remember being sonta Catholic Church. So I decided ukuthi ngiyosonta ebazalwaneni. So ngabona ukuthi umfundisi maloko ashumayela kube ngathi ukhuluma nge-situation yakho yabona impilo inzima endlini yazi ukuhlala nendoda engasebenzi kunzima kumele uprovide uyenzeni yabo intshumayelo isho uNkulunkulu akakunika into engaphezulu kwamandla wakho yabo all those things singiyacala vele ngumzalwane sengithanda isonto ngiyasontela and then ngiya-understand nentshumayelo kwamanye intshumayelo mayikhuluma ukuthi okay le ntshumayelo ithi ukhawabona so ngazitshela ngathi you know what kuze mina ngichubeke ngiphile ithi ngibaqolele because ngabona ku-useless ukuthi why kumele ngilwe impi impi yokuthi angeke ngithola ama-answers umuntu okumele ngithole kuye ama-answers because mina more than anything else nalezi zinto ebazithatha benginganandaba nazo
okay
into benginendaba nayo abantwana bami ukuthi angeke abantwana basabuya because noma mama ngamtshela makathi hayi usebenze kanzima izinto zakho ngathi hayi uNkulunkulu uzonginika izingqono kunalezi ya so ukuthi abantwana angeke unfortunately abantwana angeke babuye but lezi zinto lezi zizobuya ngelinye ilanga so ngamtshela kanjalo umama wami ngathi hayi kuzoze kulimale mina and uyabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungisindisile so sengiyalandelela sengiyalwa ngacabanga nempilo yami ukuthi angeke ukwazi ukuthi bangiplanelani so ukuthuka nje ukusaba then ngayeka njengoba kunjalo but ngabacolela because I remember ngihlanganile nosisi wakhona I think lento it's how many years into ngo-2014 ngihlanganile nosisi wakhona last year
okay
so bengingamboni sihlangana esibhedlela bengiyobona one of i-cousin nami naye bekayobona enye cousin yakhe so ethe mangihlangana naye wathi kimi dumela boma ngithi ngiyathena uye ngambulisa with a smile hamba nomunye wefamily ngiyamazi umamncane kunini ngigcina hayi ni right hayi sishap hayi man sekeleni into zakudala vela sho kanjalo usisi sekeleni man into zakudala hey nathi besobona uNikho kama mkhulu amkhumbula yebo ngiyamkhumbula yazi mara sekashonile indana ngithi how hayi all right hayi nambe ngizobona i-cousin nami ngimiyeke la
okay so kwaba into yokuthi uyena uthi asiphumele
because nami ngaba shocked wathi makathi dumela mangithi ngiyathena uye ukuthi like lo muntu ngazi asikhulumisana but bongasumuntu engihlangana naye vele bongasumuntu engihlangana naye so ithe mangiresponda ngithi athi hayi man dumela man haricwele taba tsa khale di fitile
at least engqondweni yakhe useke lapho yena kodwa at least kusho ukuthi kuyakutshela nawe ukuthi bekuyinto yesikhashana maybe she was grieving didn't know how to handle what she was going
but njengoba ngisho ngithi mina all le minyaka le ngabacolela vele because ngomuntu wesonto ngumuntu othandazayo noNkulunkulu uyasho ukuthi kumele sicolele ngabacolela vele so abengiphila nje ngepeace ukuthi you know what if kungenzeki kimi kumele kuyenzeke kubani sho ukuthi nami uNkulunkulu uye wangichoose ukuthi ngizokunika nice i-situation understand and uzoyihandle so ngibonile ngihamba kuyo noma kweminye iminyaka bokungekholula but isikhathi masiloku sihamba kuyandluleka kuyaphileka kuba ngcono yes
mina that was my question ukuthi asibuyele emuva kancane kubaba now bese sibheka from a broad perspective what do you think happened ngaye ukuthi abe ne character change drastic kangaka because angeke esuke the way umdefine ngakhona mesicala lenkulumo it's very different to how he ended up being wena muyibheka nje from a bird's eye view yini enzakele kuye
ukungasasebenzi I think kwama affecta kakhulu ukuthi beyangasakhona ukuprovider because ngazithola kuyimi engikhulisa abantwana so lento le bekahlala asho ukuthi iyamshaya every day ukuthi bekathanda ukuthi wena umama ubaba so bengenza yonke into ithi naye lathi ozama khona kungazameki makathola umsebenzi athola umsebenzi weviki we2 weeks so lezo zinto lezo zimlimaza kakhulu yabona and wathi manje maziloku zimlimaza makasacala ngiabuser ngadecide ukuthi ithi ngishift mhlambe uzoba right but bengachift ngalento yokuthi vele siyahlukana angisamfuni yabona ngitshela ukuthi hayi kuzoba right
do you think ukuthi le situation yakhe became medical ngokugula kwekhanda maybe somehow.
Yeah, mina the way ngibona ngakhona. Yeah, ukuthi bekangasekho right. I don't know ukuthi it was more than a depression. Yeah, understand? It was more than a depression because into bengihlala ngizibuza yena ukuthi yimi bengiprovide, yimi bengibeka isinkwe etafuleni ukuthi eish I wonder namhlanje udleni.
Okay.
Yeah, yibona because angisekho ngisho. Yes.
And even the fact that you were doing your best to maintain what you had was not enough for him.
Yes. Bekafuna ukuthi kuphume kuye.
Uy.
Yes, because bekasho ukuthi isikhathi manje uyangena iglobe liphelile athi yo umuntu uhluleka nokuthenga iglobe kumele ngibene wena ubuye emsebenzini uzothenga iglobe and ngiyakubona ukuthi kunzima ngapha usebenza shop abantwana abafunde town yonke into ibheke wena like for mina kunzima. We understand kunzima.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I think as men, it's an inborn feeling to want to provide. But personally, Mina, I would not have thought that it would take you there psychologically. Now I got to a point where I left my job. I decided to resign. There were some difficult experiences, but psychologically it didn't take me there. So I guess even with the men that are watching this, what would you advise them to do in that situation where they decide to leave the work and they jump into a space of depression? What would you have preferred Ubaba to do in that state where he was to try and remedy the situation?
Engakusho ukuthi whatever ubaba ozocabanga ukuthatha le decision le akhulisa abantwana kunabantwana, mina I would say ukuthi angawuyeki umsebenzi until lo omusha mawumthole alapho.
Okay.
And abe sure ukuthi lo yiwo lo engifunayo upermanent ewami yiwo alright.
Yeah.
Yes, into engayisho kanjalo ukuthi angavele nje athathe decision avele nje ahlale. Yes.
Yeah, because mina in my perspective we're dealing with two issues. The first issue being the transition of working and not working, which you've addressed to say ukuthi whenever umuntu aphuma emsebenzini la ekhona akabe sure ukuthi unento ezombalance.
Yes.
And then let's talk now about from your perspective psychological, because that's the other aspect which may come as a result of stress that has to do with the household. Yes. How would you prefer men to handle themselves endlini meba stress or megnento ebehluphayo? Maybe something which you feel he could have done that he did not do.
Ukukhuluma. Most into important ukukhuluma. Ukuthi fana nokuthi noma into ingaphathanga kahle ngihlalise phansi sikhulume ngingaboni wena so act.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Because mina ukwenzakala ukukhuluma bekangakhuluma ukuthi hey this thing akuthi angisebenzi ngiphatha kabi inana bonga wangambona nje sekatshintsha sekastalker seka abuser seka nesikhwele. Yes, there was a time mangibuya ngelinye ilanga wathi ufuna ukunginuka.
Hayibo.
You understand? Ngelinye ilanga wangibuza ukuthi hayi why le skate sakho yabo bengifake iskate sala material wekhaki.
Okay.
Athi why sishwabhene kanje yini bosiphakamisile la ubuya khona. Yabo like so yabona ukuthi no. This is deep. Akusasele into le. Yazi thina sikhulu ukuthi umuntu makane isikhwele sibili ukuthi uyangithanda but bese ngibona ukuthi ayisekho kanjalo manje. Yeah, ayisekho kanjalo. Sokuhlanya lokho yayibona. Ngelinye ilanga ngathi ngivuka ngamthola angibhalele kushuthi ngathi ngilele wangena efonini yami wabhala wonke amagama awama contacts owathola efonini yami wafike wangibekela wona la eceleni ku
okay
dressing table
ukuthi wabona ukuthi uyazi
wabona ukuthi hayi wena ukhuluma nobani abobani laba so he had ukuthi ngisho ngithi oh hayi uLindi ubani ukhotho ubani yeyibona because I remember there was igama lendoda ebelikhona lapho efonini ubhuti engamfunela umsebenzi kuye labantu beba deliver e-shop la bengisebenza khona. So lo bhuti lokho bengicommunicate naye ukuthi hayi makasend CV hayi so ngazama bengino ukuthi athole license ngamenza license ubhuti athi mangaba no code 14 so makasanaye sengimenzisile ngimtshela ubhuti yebo ubhuti awuthola umsebenzi. Yes but yazazi izinto zama contract azange asebenza isikhathi eside.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
and I assume that might have also been one of those situations that would have sent him under. Would say, if ukhona ukusiza ubhuti, maybe you can also help me. Which why did you not help me? Because you can see my situation where I am. But I think that's a discussion for another day. What I wanted to ask also, because from the perspective of a man, I guess you get so emotional. I'm trying to wear his shoes, such that you lose your handle in terms of what's sensible and what's not. Kukuphi la ekumele as a man you draw the line in terms of your assumptions, because I assume he had a lot of assumptions and suspicions with you. Where would you have preferred him to say, no, I'm not going to do this, I stop here, maybe let me talk to her?
Maybe if bekacabanga ukuthi ngiyajola bokumele ukuthi angibuze.
Yeah.
I think indlela leyo
Okay.
yena like bekagijimisa ukuthi hayi ngicabanga ukuthi kunje and ngizomthola
Okay.
ngizomthola yena bekacabanga kanjalo.
Kanjalo.
Yeah.
Okay.
And ethola ukuthi hayi impilo yami vele bokuyimpilo ephithizela ukuthi work from work ngekhaya every day bokumele ngidlule ekhaya ngibona abantwana before ngiza kuye. Because ngikhumbula ukuthi mangisuka ekhaya ngiya la besihlala khona bokumele ukuthi ngigibele ilocal. Yabona ama local la wasemalokishini ya. So ngelinye ilanga umfana we local kube ngibe nenhlanhla ukuthi mangima ekhoneni same guy obebekangihambise izolo.
Okay.
Yeah, athi my sister wena ngugibeze yabona.
Yebo.
Ngithi mina awungigibezi ngoba athi umuntu wakhe izolo ngifune wangithola erenkeni.
Yebo.
Angibuza ukuthi ngikuthathe kuphi njengoba sengukuletha endlini. Ngikuthathe kuphi ngobani isikhathi inana ugibelele kuphi. So hayi angifuni umuntu angibuze imibuze enjalo mina ngithi serious.
Yeah.
Athi yeah. You understand? Yeah.
I think
And
mostly,
leyo nto I think yenzeka kayi-2 kayi-3.
I think mostly these are depressive issues that end up tapping into your mind, and you get sick ngokwengqondo. Because now, as you were saying, Nguti, he also used to threaten the people around you, even the people from his family. So it was now a psychological case that had come as a result of your relationship. But I think moving away from that, how are you, rationalizing? How do you continue after having gone through what you have gone through?
I think into yangihila kakhulu ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi ngindlule but noma angeke ngize ngikhohlwe. Abantwana bami lama twins washona July nge-16. So in 5 years abantwana bami bashonile bengithanda ukuthi angimfuni uJuly ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
Okay.
When it comes to July bengaphatheki kahle. Bengiba ne depression thola ngizivalele ngakhulumi. So I decided ukuthi njalo nge-16 July bengibiza abangani.
Okay.
Uthi ayozani ngiBrian ilanga leli kwashona ngala abantwana bami. Sihlaleni siphuzeni kube mnandi.
Okay.
Zane ekhaya understand. Sihlale and mawuthi uyabheka mase ngicabanga iwani ukuthi why bokumele or celebrate or besiyenzani I don't know. But in 5 years later uNkulunkulu wangiblessa ngomntana entombazana. On that day,
imagine
nge-16 zika July, it's when ngastopa yonke into. Azange saphuza, azange sayenza lezi zinto bengizenza 16 July wozani sizohlalana ilela langa. Then nge-16 July ibirthday yomntana manje.
Kabanga.
Ibirthday yomntana mi ilanga encounter ngalo ukuthi whole boy no girl phana 5 years namhlanje bashonile. Umntana wami una 1 namhlanje.
Wow.
We understand ukuthi ngastarta manje sengifocusa kulo mntana ngoba lo mntana akazi next. Mele ngimupha uthando, mele ngimthande because kuleyo journey leyo after ngiceda ukushonela abantwana I remember la ngangicashe ngakhona bokunabantwana babo makhelwane labantwana bokwama twins. So labantwana labanjalo mangivela and into enomntwana bengingasayifuni.
Okay.
Labantwana njalo mangivela bazongigijimela ne ama twins nabo bayakhula. Abantwana suddenly bangibiza mama.
Hayibo.
Mama nangumama. Ngithi labantwana kwabona like nabangani nabacala bathi hayi man sine trip skippa abantwana like ngifila yayibona ngicheck
Otherwise-
i-age yami am 30 bani anginamntwana abantu bakhuluma ilanguage yemizi yabo yabantwana babo kuthi mina kanti ngiyenze njani you understand uthi usesontweni ilelanga lelo usitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe ulovile last week this week uthi uyangena i-service Sunday school
Yeah.
nabo abantwana bayaparticipate lapha phambili
Bayacula,
ubabone ukuthi like nabo abantwana bami lapha phambili then uzosithola ukhala esontweni yazibona lezo zinto lezo so labantwana laba bama twins bangenza ukuthi kubuyelwe lathando lola labantwana
Okay.
because ngathi you know what God labantwana nabo abazi next so kuzomela ukuthi ngibathande angikwazi ukubaqhasukela or sengiyabajikela or sengiyabachika
Yeah.
abazi next so mina maybe babona umuntu ethi ngabe bathi umamethu lo you understand sengiyacala ke ngibathengela izinto amaswiti yabona lezo
Okay.
zinto lezo ngiyabanaka yabona makuhlala amalanga ababoni ngiyobafuna lezo zinto lezo
Okay.
until sebakhulile but ama-twins wakhona manje until-ke ngithola lo enginaye then naye-ke lo enginaye bengingagadanga like bengingasazitsheli ukuthi ngizophinde ngibe nomntwana empilweni
Okay. I'm really impressed by how you view the birthdays. You know,
Yes.
for me, it speaks a lot to how you want to live life going forward and what that specific day means to you. Because kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubonile nakwena ukuthi yazi lelanga leli ilanga elinye elukuthi
ulikhesile lo muntu lo yes
yabona and kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu usase nama plans nempilo yakho. So ukuthi lama plans wafezeke, we have to change what this day means to you. Yabona. So I really find it to be quite an impressive thing that you still find yourself and you still have the will to push through. If you know, we had Unosi, the other lady,
yes
who went through the same thing that you're
yes uye
going through.
wangithasha kakhulu ya mangibona
and
ishow yakhe
It's such an
yes.
amazing thing to say that the same case sort of happened in a different way to you. And the fact that you see it with a different perspective really just speaks volumes because kusho ukuthi nje right, you know, you're healing and you're finding a way forward. Nanokuthi uNkulunkulu unawe as well.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think we really appreciate you making time. Siyabonga kakhulu. Nanokuthi I think you stand as a symbol to, you know, a lot of women out there who are probably you back then when you were with him. And please share in terms of how people can navigate those situations. Think deeper about those days, those experiences. If you've got a TikTok account, share there. Utshela abantu ukuthi basically, what are the telltale signs of depression in men? And how can women be able to support their husbands? Yabona? So continue sharing because omama le ngaphandle bayakudinga. You know, they need your knowledge, they need your experience so that they don't find themselves going through what you went through. So yeah, we're really grateful for you.
Okay.
You're a strong woman. Stay strong for other women as well and men who also need you. So siyabonga.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining us on this amazing, beautiful journey where we have heard Istori Sagasisi and also went through what she had gone through. We really appreciate you also committing your time and focus so that you can also learn on how to support the people around you and also how to identify these issues when they happen. We really do pray that indeed we find a better way forward in terms of moving on from the loss that we would endure from time to time, depending on the situations that we go through. Other people lose their health, they lose their mobility, they lose their loved ones. People are losing a lot out there. So it's up to us to come together as a nation and also begin to share on how we can navigate these issues. Just before I forget, sharing is caring. If you don't share, we do not know how to care. Now, we really love the, support that you guys have given us. You are liking, you are engaging, you are sharing our posts. And we really love that. We really encourage you to, continue doing that so that we can bring you more stories, more experiences, so that you could also find your closure. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.